Myriad NOVUS console and Myriad LX light source connections. Myriad NOVUS console connections. The power cord connects the Myriad NOVUS console to the building power supply. Supplied with the console is an 18-foot nitrogen line. Insert one end of the nitrogen into the male fitting on the rear panel of the console and tighten the connection. The opposite end of the hose should be connected to the hospital supply pressure. Before attaching the line, confirm that the supply pressure does not exceed 100 psi, the recommended input supply. Once nitrogen has been supplied to the console will generate its own suction when activated by the foot pedal. The console includes a flexible blue suction line that exits the front of the console. The opposite end of the blue suction line includes a flexible suction connector that is attached to the vacuum port on the top of the canister. Ensure that the lid and port caps are secure and sealed to avoid vacuum system leaks. Any leaks in the suction system will affect the performance of the Myriad NOVUS. To connect the foot pedal to the console, insert the gray foot pedal connector into the gray receptacle on the console until it clicks into position. To connect the handpiece to the console, pass the handpiece connectors into the non-sterile field for connection to the blue receptacle on the front of the console until it clicks into position, and then the suction line to the front of the 800cc Bemis canister. If you will be collecting tissue removed during the procedure, a specimen collector will be placed between the end of the handpiece and the canister. After making all necessary connections, turn the system power on. The indicator light next to the power switch will illuminate. Before using the system, it is required that the handpiece be primed by aspirating fluid into the aperture, through the handpiece and tubing, and into the canister. This can be accomplished by pressing the prime button while aspirating sterile fluid from a small bowl or bulb syringe. This will ensure that the inside of the handpiece and tubing are lubricated. Myriad LX light source connections. The power cord connects the Myriad LX light source to the building power supply. To connect the light fiber to the light source, pass the light cord plug into the non-sterile field for connection to the receptacle on the front of the light source until it clicks into position. The connection is keyed to the 12 o'clock position. Ensure proper alignment.